Insert T command. For to draw T fitting, we are going to use srjcad program command called insert T. This command can be called through srjcad menu or by toolbar or by command prompt. The short form to call insert T command is ITE. When this command is called, Insert T tab will be opened. The diameter of the T can be selected using this pop-up list. And if needed, select the reducing diameter using these pop-up lists for reducing T. The required perspective can be switched using these radio buttons. Click Insert button and specify the point to be inserted. T fitting drawn.